We've ended on the count of 9, 2, 3. Now we're taking a step away from each other. Man goes backward with the right leg, lady with the left leg. Make sure to bend your knee first. Step away, hands are sliding down, same as before. Gentlemen, lead both your hands to the left side right away because we're going to lead the lady's counterclockwise rotation, leading both your hands to the right with the step forward with the left leg slightly aiming to the left. Let's focus on the steps first, then we're going to cover the hands. Left leg, right one, left one, right one. When you take this step, your upper body is already rotated to the lady, your knees are really bent. Now take a step with the left leg, moving toward the audience diagonally around the lady because she's going to rotate. Your job is to end up facing the corner of the room with your left side a bit to the audience. Now let's focus on the hands. Step away, hands go to the left, then they go down to the right and above the lady's head. Keep walking around. With the step with the right leg, start leading the hands down and to the left. With the step with the left leg, hands go above the lady's head, then spread them to the sides and create the frame. You can imagine untying a big bow above the lady's head to lead your hands to the sides with a circular motion and into the frame. We're going to discuss the frame in a while. Now the lady's perspective. Hands are sliding down into the man's palms with the step backward. Step with the right leg, aim to the left, rotate. Right leg, left one. Now start walking around your partner. Right leg, left one. At that point, start your clockwise rotation. Right leg, left one, and from this point on, simply shift your body weight from one leg to another, staying in one place and rotating up to the point when you face the man. Man should end this part with his weight on the left leg, lady with her weight on the right leg. Let's count. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3.